Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today we will talk about the Bazi of Indonesia, a request from our member. Okay, so let's get started. Bazi of Indonesia. So the year is Iyo. Okay, the month is Jiashun. The day is Wu. Okay, we don't have the hour. Now the luck of Indonesia is Sing. So before we talk about the luck, we talk about the Bazi of Indonesia. Okay, what is the matter represent? Monkey and rooster. What does it represent? First, you know this is Indonesia. So Earth produced matter. So who are the matter? The population, the people of Indonesia. Okay, this is the capital, Jakarta. Okay, this is Jakarta. So monkey and rooster is the total population of Indonesia. So remember, when we look at the country Bazi, we must look at the officer and servant killing. So you can see here is a servant killing. It's 7 killing. This is an officer. So from this, it is very clear. You can see two groups of people supporting two types of leader. One is Iyo, one is Jiashun. There are two groups. So from this, we can tell that Indonesia is political challenging. Right? Because there are two groups of people supporting two types of leader. That's why it's very confused. So who are the ones that make the country confused? The people, right? Because they choose to support two types of leader. That's why they always have conflict. Okay. So now we look at the luck. See, does the luck help to break away this conflict? So we look at this. This is the luck that currently Indonesia is going through. Okay, so from the luck you can see the rabbit. Okay, so one pillar left because the year pillar goes up, and they change upside down. So instead of the people support the officer, now the officer remove the people, because why? Single is extinct, so they remove. Okay, so from this you can see that it is stabilized and it is very clear now in this line. So there's a call for celebration, right? I mean, at least it is peaceful now in Indonesia. Okay. Then we look at the luck this year. This year is Jihai. So from Jihai, there's something that you have to watch out on how Bazi works. This is Gen, Ren, Wu. This is Ding. So from this Jihai, you will see that the Ji actually go up and the Ren also come up. Okay. So of course, this is the new leader, right? So the new leader, actually what does the new leader want to do, right? Because Ren is the resource of the leader. So this leader want to do something. What he want to do? He want to improve Jakarta, because this is Jakarta, right? So fire produce earth. This earth is dirty because fire produce what happened after the burning of fire, left over is ash. So what happened? This leader is actually cleaning up, stabilize Jakarta, the capital, right? So there'll be a lot of so-called improvement, implementation to make sure that Jakarta is in working order. So actually this is good, right? Because number one, the leader left one is very clear, because the help of the luck. Then number two, the year appeared. That means there's a lot of activity going on in the capital of Jakarta. So from this you can see that actually it is a so-called good sign that you look forward for a lot of improvement in Indonesia, for the years to come, because Singmao is 10 years, so there'll be so-called no fight. Okay, everyone will listen to the leader. So from this aspect, I would like to bring the president of Indonesia to see how does it relate. So the Joko Widodo, okay, his year pillar, Singchong. Okay, his month pillar is Jiao. Okay, Joko Widodo is Iyo. You see? So now there's something that I must highlight to you. You see, Iyo. Is this Iyo, right? So which means that when Joko Widodo take over Indonesia as the 7th president, what happened? Under a lot of threat, because of the people. What this group support, the other group don't support. So it's under a lot of threat with them. Okay. So now we also look at the current Widodo lah. Okay. Is Jichou. His luck now is Jichou. So from Jichou we can see a few things. Okay, number one, the Chou came up. So remember the year, I told you before, the year is weak. When it come up, it becomes strong. So the indirect value to Widodo is very strong. So he's motivated to do the improvement for the better, create a lot of so-called opportunity for the people of Jakarta, for the people of Indonesia. Sorry, okay. Then you see the Sing also go down. Sing is threatening to go down. See, the Sing also go down. So no more Sing. Okay, that's why from this you can see that the luck, actually this luck, the luck of Indonesia also help Widodo, because Widodo day pillar is here. So instead of, there are two group of people, one group support, the other group don't support, right? But the luck turned upside down, which is mean that Widodo have proof the people who don't support him that they are wrong. This is exactly how it reads. And also Joko Widodo is also having a good luck, because he's born in summer, which is very hot, and now it's the ox, which is winter, right? So it balances the temperature, and the flower can grow comfortably during his luck. So Joko Widodo, his luck and the Indonesian part matches. So there's a call for so-called improvement. Definitely you will look forward for many success and opportunity that Joko Widodo will create for the people of Indonesia. Okay, I will stop here. Hope that you like my part reading for Indonesia and Joko Widodo. Thank you very much. Bye.